Are you ready to experience the future of smartphones? Foldable devices have taken the world by storm, offering unparalleled flexibility and functionality. In this video, we'll delve into the world of top-tier foldables, pitting the Honor Magic V3 against the Z Fold 6. Which one will reign supreme? The journey of foldable smartphones began with innovative prototypes and flexible display technology. Fast forward to today, and we have commercially viable devices that seamlessly merge the portability of a phone with the expansive screen real estate of a tablet. The Z Fold 6 and Honor Magic V3 are two book-style foldables that have been making waves in the industry. Announced on July 10th and 12th, respectively, these premium devices are poised to go head-to-head in a battle for foldable supremacy. In this comprehensive comparison, we'll explore design. Which device boasts the most sleek and durable design? Performance. How do these foldables stack up in terms of processing power and efficiency? Camera capabilities. Which phone takes the crown for exceptional photography and videography? Features. What sets these devices apart from the rest? Samsung's dominance in the foldable market is put to the test as we pit the Z Fold 6 against the Honor Magic V3. Let's dive into the details and see which device comes out on top. In this epic showdown, we're comparing the two most recent book-style foldables, and the results might surprise you. The Z Fold 6 boasts a sleek, futuristic design with flat edges and smooth surfaces, while the Magic V3 has a more traditional approach. Both devices are stunning, but which one will you prefer? Display dual. Primary displays. Both feature 120Hz LTPO panels, but the Magic V3 takes the lead with a larger 7.92-inch screen and higher 204 ppi pixel density. Brightness. The Z Fold 6 shines brighter with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, outperforming the Magic V3's 1080 nits. In this episode, we're diving deeper into the world of foldable smartphones, comparing the cover displays and performance of the Samsung Z Fold 6 and Honor Magic V3. Cover display comparison. Size. Magic V3 takes the lead with a larger 6.43-inch display, while the Z Fold 6 has a 6.3-inch screen. Resolution. Both have LTPO, 120Hz with OLED displays, but the Z Fold 6 has a slightly higher resolution, resulting in a 410 ppi pixel density compared to 402 ppi. Performance showdown. Processors. Both phones use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but with a twist. The Magic V3 receives the standard version, while the Z Fold 6 gets the slightly faster Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, clocking in at 3.39 GHz. Chip cores. However, the Z Fold SIX's other chip cores are clocked slower than the Magic V3's. We're comparing the Samsung Z Fold 6 and Honor Magic V3 in terms of RAM, storage, battery life, and camera capabilities. Memory and storage. RAM. Both phones have 12 GB of RAM, but the Magic V3 offers up to 16 GB on select variants. Storage. Both devices come in 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB capacities. Battery life. Z Fold 6, 4,400 mAh battery with 25W cable and 15W wireless charging. Magic V3, 5,150 mAh battery with 66W cable and 50W wireless charging. Despite its slim profile, the Magic V3 takes the lead in battery life. Camera comparison. Selfie cameras. Magic V3 boasts identical 20MP units on both displays, while the Z Fold 6 has a 10MP cover display camera and a 4MP under-display camera. Primary sensor. Both phones have a 50MP primary sensor with PDF and OIS. Telephoto lens. Magic V3 offers 3.5x optical zoom, while the Z Fold 6 has 3x optical zoom. Ultrawide sensor. Magic V3 has a 40MP sensor, compared to the Z Fold SIX's 12MP sensor. Pricing and availability. Z Fold 6, $1,899 in the US, available worldwide. Magic V3, currently only available in China, with a lower price point. Which device will you choose? Stay tuned for more comparisons and find out which foldable reigns supreme. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more engaging content and the latest tech updates.